Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, let us start with our today's lecture. In our today's lecture, we are going to do the paragraph comprehension of unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. Open up your notebooks of English A, prepare a new page, give the heading Topic, Paragraph Comprehension, page 97, give the subheading Paragraph. The paragraph is here displayed through your screens, and that is natural forces affect and disrupt human life and daily economic activities. Clear? So, for example, then ellipsis and which is being used in homes and businesses. Clear? So write down this paragraph from your book, page 97, completely. Clear? You have to write this paragraph completely. It's mentioned here just in dotted form, but you're not supposed to write it in dotted form. Just write its complete form. Clear? Then give the heading questions answers. Question number 1, what are the effects of floods? सैलाब के क्या असरात होते हैं? क्या असरात मुरतब होते हैं? Floods wash away farmland and homes. सैलाब घरों और खेतों को अपने साथ बहा ले जाती हैं. They also carry out. Carry out is a phrasal verb here. Clear? They also carry out the fertile soil and disrupt the growth of the crops. ये क्या करते हैं? ज़रख़ेज़ मिट्टी भी अपने साथ बहा ले जाता है और डिसरप्ट खलल पैदा करता है the growth of the crops, फसलों की बढ़ोतरी में. Clear? Then question number 2. What is the role of dams? Dams का क्या किरदार है? So dams store extra water which is used to generate cheap electricity. क्या होता है? Dams में extra पानी को, इजाफी पानी को हार्बर किया जाता है, स्टोर किया जाता है, and then that water, वो पानी क्या होता है? is used to generate cheap electricity. फिर वो सस्ती बिजली पैदा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, वो पानी इस्तेमाल होता है. Clear? Then what are the effects of natural forces? कुदरती आफतें जो हैं तो उनकी क्या असरात मुरतब होते हैं? Natural forces affect and disrupt human life. ये इंसानी ज़िंदगी को मुतासिर करते हैं, उसमें खलल डालते हैं. एंड डेली इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ और रोज़मर्रा की माशी सरगर्मियों पर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ कैन वी जनरेट चीप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? हम सस्ती बिजली कैसे पैदा कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं? कैसे? वी कैन जनरेट चीप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम वाटर, सोलर एनर्जी एंड विंड. Question number 5. What are the harmful effects of fire? आग के मनफी असरात क्या हैं या नुकसानात क्या है? If fire gets out of control, अगर ये काबू से बाहर हो जाता है, it burns. Kindly do the correction of this term. That is burns. Clear? It is burns. If fire gets out of control, it burns buildings, crops and forests. Clear? This is the end of this one topic. Now prepare a new page in your notebook of English A. Give the heading Paragraph Translation. For paragraph translation, dear students, you need to select a paragraph of your own choice. Write that down and then write down its translation with cut nib Clear? Select a paragraph of your own choice and then take help from the lectures as well as from the notes that are provided to you, that are given to you for writing its translation. Clear? In the same way, you have to prepare another new page. Give the topic sentence translation. For writing sentence translation, you need to select 5 sentences of your own choice. Just write down the sentence, the English statement of the sentence first, and then write down its translation below it. Clear? Under it. Clear? And after that, give the serial number and write down the second one sentence, again its translation. In the same way, write down all the 5 sentences and its translation with cut nib. Clear? Prepare all the pages, complete all the requirements. Now come towards another topic. Prepare a new page in your notebook of English A topic, that is summary. Clear? Topic summary, page 100. Question F. Write down the question with blue marker. Develop a mind map and write down the summary of the lesson, technology and everyday life. This is your task, to draw a mind map for it. Clear? You know how to draw a mind map, how to make a mind map for it, and you know it very well which points are to be made its part. Clear? So this is your activity for today. Let us start with the summary. Technology plays a vital role in our daily life. ये हमारी ज़िंदगियों में एक अहम किरदार अदा करती हैं. Clear? क्या? Technology. Nowadays, different technological equipment are used in our homes, offices and industries. Clear? Technology has enriched every field of life. इसने ज़िंदगी के हर शोबे को तरक्की दी है, मौजूद है ये ज़िंदगी के हर शोबे में. Then it has been of great use in the health science industry. It has improved the quality of treatment. इलाज के मयार को भी इसने बेहतर बनाया है. किसने? टेक्नोलॉजी ने. Clear? Then it has also enabled the doctors. It has also enabled the doctors to discover most health problems. बहुत सारी सेहत के हेल्थ इश्यूज जो हैं तो उसको डिस्कवर करने के लिए, उसको दरियाफ्त करने के लिए, उसका पता लगाने के लिए इसने क्या किया? डॉक्टर्स को हेल्प आउट किया है. डॉक्टर्स की हेल्प कर रहा है ये कौन? टेक्नोलॉजी. देन The modern technology has made easy communication across the globe. अब दुनिया भर में इसने मवासलात को आसान कर दिया है. Clear? With the help of internet, we can buy different items in our homes. घर बैठे हम बहुत सारी अशिया मंगवा सकते हैं, खरीद सकते हैं. Clear? With the help of modern technology, now we can store and keep safe our secret information in different storage devices. Clear? You know it very well, in USB ports, in other desks as well. Clear? Then it has also brought distinguished developments in agricultural industry. अब ज़राअत की सनत में भी इसने बहुत सारी बेहतरीन चीज़ें पेश की है और तरक्की की वजह बनी है. Then it has given birth to agricultural biotechnology. Technology has enabled humans to build large dams. Clear? To build large dams to store the excess water and use it for irrigation and generating cheap electricity. Clear? Then now it is possible to diminish the destructions of natural forces. Diminish means कम करना, किसी हद तक stop करने, किसी हद तक कम करना, रोकना. Technology is of great use in the travel industry. अब नक्लो हरकत के मैदान में भी, कि सनत में भी इसका एक बहुत ही अहम किरदार है, बहुत ज़्यादा ये इस्तेमाल होती हैं. क्लियर? ड्यू टू द मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी today's transportation is time saving, fast and comfortable. Clear? Dear students, this is the end of our today's lecture. Please draw the mind map by yourself with this last question. Your today's homework is to learn all the content that we did today and discussed. Clear? This is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.